Hey guys, welcome to my channel SBIT Online. My name is Subhash Bhakt and today we'll see how to open back cover of the laptop. So this is HP ProBook 430 G4. So guys, you will see how to replace RAM and hard disk of HP 430 G4 laptop. Okay. This slot is for RAM. So this is RAM of HP ProBook 430 G4 laptop. This is hard disk of the laptop. So to remove the hard disk, or if you want to replace the hard disk, you need to remove first two screws. This is screw 1 and this is screw 2. So I am going to remove the hard disk. So slowly take out of this portion and pull out. You can see here also mention this is screw 1 and screw 2. Then you need to remove this wrapper, this one. So by this way you can remove, and take care of this hard disk. Don't put it forcefully, or don't remove the connector forcefully, because this is hard disk connector. This is SATA cable connector, hard disk connector. So I am going to show you how to remove this cable. You can see this is hard disk. So you need to press this, pull out. By this way you can remove. So this is the hard disk. So to replace the hard disk, you need to remove this cover also, and if you want to replace the RAM, you can replace it.
RAM निकाल दिया ना? RAM निकाल दिया ना मुझे?
लगाओ
आप लगवा लो।
कोई नहीं वो तो हम hard disk should be connected properly before going to attach this hard disk with the cable. Check out the male female portion properly and push the connector with the hard disk. Cable has been connected, and now easily insert the hard disk in the hard disk portion. Then now I'm going to tight screw for hard disk. By this way you can replace or install hard disk in HP ProBook 430 G4. Now install back cover of the hard disk. You need to push this, and need to tight screws as well. Now back cover has been installed. Now I'm going to install back cover of this laptop. You can hear the voice of installing of this part. I'm going to tight this screw and done. So guys, this is HP ProBook 430 G4. Guys, thanks for watching.